Today I'm in the kitchen making no-bake holiday mint chocolate bars. Let's get started. Using a double boiler, melt a 200-gram bag of chocolate mint. If this is hard to find, you can use semi-sweet chocolate and add a 1/4 teaspoon of mint extract. Add a 1/4 cup of butter and melt that into the chocolate. Remove about 1/8 to 1/4 of a cup of melted chocolate into a piping bag to drizzle on top at the end. Remove the bowl of melted chocolate from the pot of simmering water. Add in 1 egg and a 1/4 cup of icing sugar and stir to combine. Stir in 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs and 1/2 cup of shredded coconut. Press this mixture into the bottom of a square 8-inch casserole dish. Wet your fingers while you're pressing out the base. This will prevent it from sticking and it will smooth out evenly. Place the base into the refrigerator to chill. Meanwhile, I can get the next layer ready. Cream a 1/4 cup of softened butter with 2 cups of icing sugar and 3 tablespoons of milk. Beat until light and fluffy. Finally, add in a few drops of green food coloring. I can now spread this mixture evenly on top of my base. To finish off the bars, drizzle the reserved chocolate mint on top. If you find the chocolate mint has started to solidify, drop your piping bag into a cup of hot tea water to soften it up again. Place the bars back into the refrigerator to chill. To serve, slice into bite-sized squares. Enjoy!